My name is Will DeLisi. I'm the lead NAND flash specialist here at DriveSavers, and I've been here for 5 years. I came from Apple, where I was a technician manager. I worked there for 4 years, and all my team is actually from Apple.
My name is Sarah Farrell. I'm a physical iPhone data recovery engineer, and I've been at DriveSavers for 17 years. DriveSavers was the first to recover data from an iPhone in 2007 when they were first introduced. We successfully recover more data from iPhones than any other company in the world. We have done tens of thousands of successful iPhone data recoveries. We see recoveries come in for all sorts of things. On iPhones, it's frequently photos, but it can be text messages, email, proprietary art that they've developed in an app, music. Really, you think of something of value to you and someone has most likely lost it on their iPhone, and we've seen it. There are countless connections inside of an iPhone. Take this, this is a 10 PCB opened up, and all of these little dots around the edges are solder points. When we reattach this to make it work again after doing our repair, each and every one has to be exactly the same size. And every component on here is attached that way. And many of them are so small that you can't see them. And whether they're visible to the naked eye or not, we do all of our work under a microscope. It's very easy to accidentally knock something off, even something simple like a screen replacement. Sometimes when the flex cable is coming in and connected, if you're not watching, you can break a component off and that can cause serious damage to a device. So it is very meticulous work.
I love most the impossible scenarios. When something comes in, inbound tells the customer it's probably going to be impossible. Customer service tells the customer it's probably going to be impossible. Other companies told them it was impossible, and then we get it. A scenario like that makes me go home happy.
What do I love most about my job? I love the challenge of it, and I love how it's always changing. The devices change, the software changes, just the customer problems, what come in changes, so you can never ever say that you've seen it all because it's constantly changing. But I also really love the fulfillment of getting the data for someone, you know, whether it's just their vacation photos or it's the photos of a loved one who's passed away, just knowing that you were able to get them something back that was very important to them. It's wonderful. DriveSavers, we can save it.